Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a triangle in Adobe InDesign. It's quick, simple, and perfect for your design projects. Let's dive in. To start, look over at the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Scroll down to the rectangle tool and click and hold it. A small menu will appear with 3 shape options: rectangle, ellipse, and polygon. Go ahead and select the polygon tool. Now, if you drag on your workspace, you'll notice that the shape isn't a triangle. It's a polygon with more than 3 sides. To fix this, simply click once on your workspace instead of dragging. This will bring up a menu where you can adjust the number of sides for your shape. In the menu, set the number of sides to 3 and click OK. And there you have it, a perfect triangle. You can resize, rotate, or style it as needed for your project. That's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.